Have you ever felt invisible? Like no one sees you, no matter how much you give. In a quiet village lived a boy named William. He helped everyone, carried heavy sacks, fixed roofs, fed animals. But people walked past him, as if he didn't exist. One morning, carrying wheat, he heard the elders worrying about winter. He knew a way to save the grain. He stepped forward. "Excuse me, I think I—" An elder cut him off. "Not now, boy." The basket slipped. Wheat spilled everywhere. Not one person stopped to help. He knelt alone in the dust, whispering, "Why does no one respect me?" That night, under an ancient oak, an old man sat beside him. "Respect isn't loud," he said. "It's silent. There are 5 silent powers." He raised 5 fingers. "Stand tall. Shoulders back. You're not begging for space. You belong. Move slowly. Rushing screams weakness. Calm screams strength. Hold eye contact. Gentle, steady. It says, I see myself as your equal. Listen like you mean it." Most listen to reply. You listen to understand. Master silence. When chaos screams, stay quiet. When you finally speak, the world listens. William woke up different. He stood taller, walked slower, looked people in the eye. He listened. And when arguments exploded in the village square, he stayed silent. Then he spoke one calm sentence. The entire crowd froze. Heads turned. They listened. For the first time, they really listened. By winter, William Hart was no longer invisible. He never shouted. He never demanded. He just changed how he carried himself, and the world changed how it saw him. Respect doesn't come from words. It comes from within. Start with one silent power today, and watch them start respecting you without you ever asking.